Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the must-have apps in your for your YouTube channel. These apps must be installed your cell phone before you are going to create a YouTube channel. One by one, I am going to show you the YouTube channel. The first app is YT Studio. YT Studio is used to edit everything of the YouTube channel. You can change the title of the video, you can change description of video, you can change category, playlist and tags of that video. You can even change the thumbnail of that video. uh, this is the must have app, and you can also see the analytics of YouTube channel. Here you can change the title of the video, description of the video, as I have told earlier. You can change monetize ads of the video. You can change playlist, you can change tags, categories and everything of that video. Finally, you can change the thumbnail of the video. You can change thumbnail of your own choice, whatever thumbnail you want to have in your video. The second app is Banner Maker. This is the most important and crucial app for a YouTuber to have thumbnails. This app has given all categories, pre-made categories of all thumbnails, and most beautiful and HD quality of these thumbnails have been given in this app. You can change any category, at any category of your choice. Here you can create your custom thumbnail. You can just select the category of the thumbnails. You can see here is given all the categories: clothing, education, business, advertising, events, emails, birthdays. Everything has been given in this app, and just click on the category of your choice. Let's see if we are going to make a thumbnail about birthday of any person. You can just click on the thumbnail of your choice, and by clicking on it you can just click on the edit button given below. Clicking on edit button, you can change the text. Just click on the text you want to change and edit. You can see you can edit the text of your choice. Whatever you want to write, you can write over here. It has given all the characteristics, fonts and color, everything you can change of that text according to your choice. This app must be installed in every YouTuber's mobile. And now I'm going to tell about the third app is Filmmaker. This is the most important app to edit the video. You can waive off the copyrights of any video. You can just click on the new project, and clicking on new project you can add every category of videos given in your mobile phone. Whole list is provided to you. You can select any category, you can select any type of introduction. Pre-made introduction is given over. Just click on the text, you must edit the text, and the category is same. You have two choices. One is the introduction is in low quality. The second type is in higher quality. In higher quality, just click on the given quality and it will be downloaded automatically to your cell phone. uh, any quality of your choice, just click on the quality and click on the OK button. It will be automatically added into your video before your video of your choice. Yeah, the thing is here it is changed, only the text can be changed. This app has all the options. You can edit text, you can add music, you can add voice over. Everything can be added, and you can even use the logo of your channel. You can use emojis, you can use every sort of thing. background. You can change, you can add further videos or pictures in your video, the video you are going to edit. Everything can be changed with the help of this software, and this is a must have software. Now I am going to tell about some settings that must be made before watching any sort of YouTube video. The third thing is cleaner. C cleaner is the most important software that automatically cleans the cache of the applications. Every time you watch a video or do any activity on YouTube, you must clean the history first. You must clean the cache of those apps. This is a must have app, and after every activity your cache must be cleaned. And finally I am going to tell about the settings of YT app before watching any video. If you are going to watch or you are going to do C2C work, watch to watch work, you must make these settings in your YouTube app. These settings will not only save your data, it will automatically clean the history of the app. History must be cleaned before doing watch to watch work or C2C work. Now let's see how all the settings will be made. By clicking on YouTube app in your cell phone. The YouTube app, when YouTube app is open, just click on the logo picture of your channel, and you will see here in at the end there is given setting button. Just click on the settings button, and you will see options that settings must be made. First of all, you must click on data saving and turn on all the options. It will automatically save the data. Whenever you will play a video, it will save the data. It will never use the high quality of video. It has two options. Default setting is given reduce video quality, reduce download quality, only download over Wi-Fi and mobile data, upload over Wi-Fi only. All the options must be added. If you are going to upload video on data, then turn off the option upload over Wi-Fi only. Turn off this option. If you have turned on this option, it will not upload any video. The second setting is turn off the autoplay button, because autoplay automatically plays the video in a row. The next video will be automatically played. It will consume your data. Just turn off the autoplay option. The third is video quality preferences. When you are going to play a video, it has two options. One is on data and the other is on Wi-Fi. You must select both. In data you must say data saver, and in Wi-Fi quality you must also select the data saver quality. It will save your data. It will not consume your whole data. And the fourth option and must have option is history cleaner. Just click on the history cleaner. Clear the watch history and clear search history every time you watch a video, because history is cleaning must, as history saves the cookies, tracking cookies that will these cookies will disable your channel if you are not going to clean the history. I hope you must enjoyed the video, and to promote me, please subscribe, like and comment on my channel, and support as much as you can. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. See you in a next video in the next session, and do visiting my channel for more useful videos. Thank you very much.